What if I told you that aliens might be living among us right now? Imagine for a moment that we are not alone, not in the sense of each other or even the countless species that share our planet, but in a much grander, cosmic sense. The universe so vast and infinite, teeming with galaxies beyond number, stars beyond count, and planets beyond comprehension, could it really be that we are the only ones here? The sheer scale of the cosmos suggests that the existence of extraterrestrial life is not just a possibility but a probability. And if these celestial neighbors do exist, is it really so far-fetched to think that they might have found their way to our little blue dot in the cosmos? Perhaps these unseen neighbors have already moved in, living among us, unseen and unnoticed. Consider this. The universe is about 14 billion years old. Our Earth, in comparison, is a mere 4.5 billion years young. That leaves close to 10 billion years where life could have been evolving elsewhere. Who's to say that in that expansive time, an advanced civilization hasn't developed the technology to traverse the vast distances of space? Now let's bring this cosmic journey home, back to Earth and back to us. If these extraterrestrial beings have indeed found their way here, they would need to blend in, to avoid creating panic or being exploited. They might appear just like us, or they might have developed ways to remain invisible to our senses. It's a thought-provoking concept, isn't it? The idea that the stranger you passed on the street, the birds in the sky, or even the plants in your garden could be aliens living among us. It's a concept that challenges our perception of reality and our place in the universe. Stay with me as we delve into the evidence supporting this intriguing possibility. We'll explore ancient theories, modern sightings, and personal encounters, all in the quest to answer the ultimate question. Are we truly alone in the universe, or are we simply unseeing hosts to our unseen neighbors? Imagine advanced alien civilizations visiting Earth thousands of years ago. Picture this: star-spanning societies far more advanced than us reaching out to our planet, making contact with our ancestors. This is the essence of the ancient astronaut theory, a captivating concept that suggests extraterrestrial beings may have had a hand in shaping our history, cultures, and technologies. This theory is not without its evidence. All across our world we find archaeological anomalies that seem to defy conventional explanations. Take, for instance, the Nazca lines in Peru. These giant geoglyphs etched into the earth depict various creatures and shapes, visible only from the sky. How could an ancient civilization, without the aid of flight, create such precise works of art? Could they have been guided by beings who possessed a bird's-eye view of our world? And then we have the pyramids of Egypt, massive structures built with such precision that we would struggle to replicate them even today. Their construction requires knowledge of advanced engineering and mathematics, far beyond what we believe was available to the ancient Egyptians. Could this knowledge have been imparted by visitors from the stars? Even the ancient texts and legends from various cultures around the world speak of gods descending from the heavens, sharing wisdom and technology. Were these gods actually extraterrestrial beings mistaken for divine entities due to their advanced knowledge and capabilities? The ancient astronaut theory poses these questions, inviting us to look at our past through a different lens. It challenges established norms, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and encouraging us to explore the possibility of our ancestors' interactions with beings from beyond our world. Could our ancestors have had extraterrestrial visitors or even neighbors? Perhaps they did. Perhaps our history is not just our own, but shared with those who ventured to our little blue planet from the vast expanse of the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our past, we might just find that we have always been part of a larger interstellar community. Fast forward to the present day, where unidentified flying objects are spotted regularly. The once fantastical idea of UFO sightings has evolved into a topic of serious discussion, with people from different corners of the globe reporting strange occurrences in the sky. Let's travel to the year 2017, where a peculiar incident took place over the Arizona desert. Two pilots reported a strange craft that flew over them at an incredible speed. The object, they said, did not resemble any known aircraft, and it left them puzzled. Now let's shift our focus to the other side of the Atlantic. Over the Irish coast in 2018, several pilots reported fast-moving bright lights. The Irish Aviation Authority, perplexed by these reports, opened an investigation, but the source of these lights remains unknown. And who could forget the infamous Tic Tac UFO encounter in 2004? This sighting by U.S. Navy pilots off the coast of San Diego was accompanied by a video that showed an object moving in ways that defied our understanding of physics. The object was described as a white oblong shape resembling a tic-tac, hence the name. These sightings are not isolated incidents. They have been reported in various parts of the world, from Canada to Australia, from Brazil to Japan. In fact, the frequency and consistency of these reports have led to serious acknowledgement by various authorities. In a surprising turn of events, the U.S. government confirmed in 2020 that they have been investigating UFO sightings for years, under a program known as the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program. This acknowledgement has sparked a renewed interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life and has sparked countless debates. Is it possible that these unidentified flying objects are evidence of alien life? Or are they just advanced human technology that is yet to be disclosed to the public? As we delve deeper into these mysteries, we can't help but wonder, are these sightings mere coincidence, or do they hint at our cosmic neighbors? Now consider the countless stories of alien abductions and encounters. For centuries, people from all walks of life have reported experiences that defy conventional explanation. These are not just tales spun by attention seekers or the imaginatively inclined. They are detailed accounts from credible individuals, often with strikingly similar features. Take the case of Barney and Betty Hill, an American couple who in 1961 reported being abducted by extraterrestrials in a rural portion of New Hampshire. Their account, given under hypnosis, included descriptions of humanoid beings, a star map of uncharted constellations, and invasive medical procedures. Their story, consistent and unchanging over time, is one of the most well-documented cases of alien abduction. Or consider the story of Travis Walton, a logger from Arizona who vanished for 5 days in November 1975. His co-workers testified seeing a UFO in the vicinity on the night of his disappearance. When Walton returned, he recounted being on a spacecraft and interacting with humanoid creatures. His story remains one of the most compelling abduction narratives, subjected to several polygraph tests, all of which he passed. These accounts and many others share common elements: bright lights, periods of lost time, encounters with humanoid beings, and invasive procedures. They paint a picture of a possible common alien species, a species that is not just passing by, but one that is taking a keen interest in us. And it's not just abductions. Encounters of the third kind, where people report seeing and interacting with aliens, are also widespread. Some describe them as small, gray beings with large eyes. Others speak of tall, humanoid figures. But the consistency in these descriptions across time and geography is intriguing. So we are left with a question. Are these encounters mere hallucinations, or do they signify something more? Could it be that these experiences are evidence of extraterrestrial beings living among us? Or are they simply the product of our collective human imagination, spurred on by our innate curiosity about the universe? Only time, and perhaps more encounters, will tell. So, after examining the evidence, what can we conclude? Well, we've journeyed from the realms of ancient history, where the ancient astronaut theory suggests extraterrestrial beings might have visited and influenced early civilizations. We've seen the fascinating art, architecture, and lore that could encode these otherworldly encounters. These historical anecdotes paint a picture of a past where humans and aliens might have crossed paths. We then moved into the modern era, where UFO sightings have become almost commonplace. These unexplained aerial phenomena, recorded by credible witnesses and even military personnel, defy our current understanding of physics and aviation. They hint at the existence of advanced technology, possibly beyond human capability. The frequency and global nature of these sightings suggests that if these are indeed extraterrestrial crafts, their interest in our planet is ongoing. We've also delved into the chilling world of alien abductions and encounters. People from all walks of life have reported experiences that are eerily similar, experiences that involve being taken or visited by beings not of this earth. These accounts, often backed by physical evidence and shared memories, add another layer to our discussion. So what does all this tell us? Are these pieces of a cosmic puzzle falling into place, hinting at the presence of aliens among us? Well, science urges us to be cautious. Correlation doesn't always mean causation, and extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. We should remember that while these accounts and sightings are intriguing, They are not definitive proof of alien life. However, they do make one thing clear. The universe is vast, mysterious, and largely unexplored. It's possible that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. While we don't have definitive proof, the evidence certainly sparks curiosity. Perhaps we aren't alone in the universe, and maybe, just maybe, our neighbors are closer than we think. Please like and subscribe for more, and until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.